Hi guys, welcome to Concentric World. We have a new video today, and we'll be covering Galaxy Z Fold 5. So I'm already using Galaxy Z Fold and been loving it. It's an amazing phone, and now they released a new uh, Fold 5 with new improvements, new processor, and especially I got this because they have a new color. So we will be unboxing this today, and also be comparing it next to the Z Fold 4. So box is very similar in size wise as compared to the Fold 4 box, almost the same size exactly. And so here are some of the details. So it says um, so the MRP is 1,59,999 for this variant, but I got it for some discount from the Samsung store. So kudos to Daman from the Samsung store who I called, and within 30 minutes he delivered the phone at home. So that's an amazing service from Samsung. Uh, so let's open the box. Uh, I've uh, hidden the IMEI and serial number just for security reasons. So I think this is where we open this. Okay, here. And here we have the phone. I'm removing the IMEI sticker. So it's much. So if you look at the thickness, it's much slimmer than this other one.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
It's much easier to fold now as compared to the. I love doing this opening and closing of this phone like a fidget spinner. I kind of like it a lot. Uh, it has helped me completely now not use iPad because the screen is so large, it's portable, so I don't use iPad anymore. So that's an amazing thing about it's also in my use case lasts for uh, the Fold 4 was able to last 2 days. So let's see how this one is going to hold because this has a more efficient processor for more higher efficiency gains. So let's see how this is going to hold up. It's 10 grams lighter than this one. This is quite a heavy phone, and this certainly feels slightly lighter and slimmer for sure. Now they have completely removed the gap which this one had. So I've been using this one from several months now, and uh, it held up quite well, and I don't use any kind of cover, any kind of um, protection, and it still held quite shiny from all sides still. uh, and been doing great with this. Great overall horsepower, and battery can last a long time and can do a lot of automations. So all this battery life of 2 days is while having a lot of things running in the background, automations, multitasking, and also using multiple sims at the same time. And here we have another box inside. Likely there would be a cable inside. So we have our regional lock guide. So it's an Indian variant. Sim, just a quick start guide. And we have here is a new cable and sim eject pin, and of course there is no charging adapter. So I'll go and use this, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.